Dear students, welcome. My name is Baran Kayolu, and I'm an associate professor of world history here at the American University of Iraq, Slemani. I'd like to briefly discuss with you our international relations program at the Department of Social Sciences and Law. International relations is a key component of the field of political science, and it is one of the oldest fields of human inquiry. IR, as it's often called, investigates relations between states from a current perspective as well as a long-term historical perspective, and it also looks at how states relate to other entities such as corporations, NGOs, and other groups. Its ultimate aim is to make sense of the world that we live in. By studying IR, you will be prepared for a wide range of career choices. These could vary from the diplomatic or civil service of your country, the private sector, multinational companies, or international organizations such as the United Nations, or civil society organizations, or NGOs. If you like IR enough, what you can also do is, after you graduate from AUIS, you can go and pursue a master's or a doctorate in Europe, in North America, or in Australia, and then maybe one day come back and teach for us. International relations is a constantly evolving and exciting field, and AUIS is one of the best places where you can study IR. So I highly recommend that if you're interested in IR, you should come study with us.